In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up browse abandonment in Omnisend. Start by opening your browser and searching for Omnisend. In the results, click the official Omnisend website to head straight to the platform. Once you're there, click Log In and access your account so you can reach the main dashboard. If you're new to the layout, everything we need lives in the left-hand navigation, so you'll find this quick to follow. From your dashboard, go to the Automation tab. This is where all your journeys and preset flows are managed. Click Create Workflow to begin. If you're prompted again within the Automations area, click Create Workflow once more, then choose the Browse Abandonment preset. This template gives you a solid starting point so you don't have to build from scratch. Next, click Customize Workflow to open the visual editor and start tailoring it to your store. Let's set the trigger. By default, it's set to Viewed Page, which means the workflow will start when someone browses your site without taking the next step. You can leave it broad or narrow it down by filtering to specific URLs, like product pages, or by including pages that contain a keyword such as all products. This ensures messages are relevant and focused on high-intent browsing rather than general site visits. Add a delay so you're not emailing too soon. A window of 1 to 2 hours works well. It gives visitors time to finish browsing organically while keeping your brand top of mind. Too soon can feel pushy. Too late can miss the moment. This middle ground strikes a good balance. Now set your exit conditions so the workflow stops if someone takes a higher intent action. Make sure it exits if they place an order, add a product to their cart, or start checkout. These safeguards prevent duplicate or unnecessary messages and keep the customer experience smooth. Open the email step and click Edit Content. In the editor, use the Abandoned Products content block to automatically display the last product the visitor viewed. This dynamic block pulls in the image, name, and link, creating a personalized reminder without manual work. Keep your copy clear, helpful, and on-brand, and include a strong call to action that sends them back to the exact product page. Aim for a clean layout that's mobile-friendly, since many browse sessions start on phones. When you're happy with the setup, click Publish Changes or Start the Workflow. That's it. Your browse abandonment automation is live. Keep an eye on performance over time and refine your targeting, timing, and message as needed to maximize engagement and conversions.